Hello traders, today we want to talk about a simple MACD indicator stock day trading method. A simple MACD indicator stock day trading method. We want to use the standard MACD 12.26.9, that's the standard MACD. For bullish signal or bullish trading setup, we want MACD to be sloping up. So if we see here, MACD is sloping up, it's rising nicely. We can see that this is a rising MACD. Alright, so if MACD is sloping up, it's indicating to us that the bullish momentum is increasing. The next thing that we want to look, when MACD is sloping up like this, above a zero, okay, above the level of a zero, we want to look for the ascending triangle. Now, I have one example here of ascending triangle where the price will form equal top, but it will be forming higher lows and higher high. The price will form higher lows. Okay, so here we will have higher lows. And we have at the top equal top. We are looking for the price to form, okay, an ascending triangle. So MACD is sloping up, price will go up first. Like MACD is going up, so the price will also go up first. But what we are looking for, the trigger for us, is the ascending triangle. So MACD is sloping up, and the price also is going up. If the price forms an ascending triangle, we will expect a bullish breakout. So if the price breaks above the ascending triangle, that's a bullish trading setup for us. And then from there, we'll use a top-down trading method. Very simple. Sometimes, like on the 2-hour time frame, you can see here, MACD is sloping up, but we do not see any ascending triangle on the 2-hour time frame. What you can do, because as you can see that, you see the MACD is sloping up, but on a 2-hour time frame you cannot see any clear-cut ascending triangle. What you can do is to go, for instance, on another lower time frame. So from the 2-hour time frame you can go to the 10-minute time frame and then see whether you will see an ascending triangle that been formed on the 10-minute time frame. Are you getting the message? So MACD is sloping up on the 2-hour time frame. Our trigger is to see, okay, an ascending triangle on the 2-hour time frame. That will constitute a bullish trading setup. However, sometimes we may not see the ascending triangle on the setup time frame. In this case, on the 2-hour time frame, we can go to another lower time frame looking for the ascending triangle. You can see on this chart I have two vertical lines on my chart highlighting the time when MACD was sloping up on the 2-hour time frame. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch my time frame from the 2-hour time frame. I'm going to go to the 10-minute time frame, and I want you to pay attention to the two vertical lines. And on the 10-minute time frame, we want to check whether we have, okay, the ascending triangle during the time when MACD was rising, was sloping up on the 2-hour time frame. So let's go to the 10-minute time frame and remember the two vertical lines. Where are they? Where are they? Here they are. Okay, can you see? So we know that between these two vertical lines on the 2-hour time frame, MACD is sloping up. Now we are looking on the 10-minute time frame to see whether there is an ascending triangle. Here it is, equal top and rising lows. This is what we are looking for. Equal top and rising low. Here, as MACD breaks above the ascending triangle on the 10-minute time frame, we can look for an opportunity to buy this financial instrument. Did the financial instrument goes up after that? Yes, it did go up after, okay, it breaks above the ascending triangle. This is the triangle that I want you to pay attention to, the ascending triangle. You may notice sometimes that we have a symmetrical triangle, but the most reliable signal will occur when we have the ascending triangle. So to summarize this simple MACD stock day trading method, though we are talking about stock day trading, we can apply this for currencies, for gold, for silver, for any financial instrument when we are day trading. So either we see the ascending triangle on a time frame where MACD is sloping up, or we go to another lower time frame to see whether there is on that lower time frame an ascending triangle. That ascending triangle, if the price breaks above it, that will constitute a bullish signal or a bullish trading setup that will use to implement a multiple time frame trading method. So as I noticed on a 2-hour time frame, here it is. Because that ascending triangle is a continuation pattern, provided that MACD is sloping up. If MACD is sloping up, and then we see an ascending triangle, that ascending triangle is a continuation pattern. We wait for a breakout, and then we implement a top-down trend method to buy the financial instrument. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. I will show you very shortly, the example of a downtrend. So though we are talking about day trading method, if you see this on the weekly chart, all right, that will constitute a swing trading setup. All right, then we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. If you are TSTWSYS 008 trader, then you will go to the signal time frame, wait for the signal, and then implement, use the TSTW key 02 to enter the trade. Or you will implement a multiple time frame trading method as a swing trader. If you see on the monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, what I'm talking about here, MACD, the standard MACD is sloping up, and then we see the ascending triangle. That's a bullish trading setup. We wait for the breakout, and then we implement a top-down trading method. But for this tutorial, we are talking about simple MACD stock day trading method. All right. For day trading purposes, we are looking for MACD to continue to slow up. The slope is clear cut, sloping up. Then we look on that particular time frame. Is there an ascending triangle? Sometimes you will see it, sometimes you may not. If you do not see on that time frame, you go to another lower time frame looking for the ascending triangle. As you can see, as I highlighted with the 2 vertical line, the time when MACD was sloping up on the 2-hour time frame, you see here. Are you with me? So MACD was sloping up, yes or no, between the 2 vertical line on the 2-hour time frame. Now that I switched to my 10-minute time frame, I recognize that there is an ascending triangle here, equal top, higher lows. A breakout. This is a bullish setup. Boom, up. Okay, that's what we are looking for. For a bearish setup, let me show you one example. Go to, I think it was on the weekly chart. See this. Weekly chart, is it weekly chart or 2-hour time frame? 2-hour time frame for this stock equity brand, Epic Alpha Yankee India. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame, and I want to show you that. Here we are. Where are we? Yes. Here. Can we pay attention to this section here? I'm going to place a 2 vertical line to highlight the point where MACD is sloping down. Will you agree that MACD is sloping down here? Is it sloping down? Yes, it's sloping down. Yes or no? Okay, let's highlight that. So MACD was sloping down on the 2-hour time frame in this session. Okay. All right, here it is. MACD was sloping down. We can say, where are we? Up to this point somewhere here. All right, you see here this session here on the chart. If you agree, here we are. MACD sloping down. Or if I push it a bit here, it will make more sense to trade it, because you can see that in a downtrend, if MACD is sloping down, we'll look for what? A descending triangle. That's the opposite of the ascending triangle. The opposite of ascending triangle is a descending triangle when we have equal low and lower high. So a high followed by a lower high and another lower high. But you can see here we didn't have a breakdown. We want to try to break below that descending triangle. You can see that MACD start changing direction. That's why I'm moving here. You can see that MACD start changing direction at the time when the descending triangle is completed. But the best scenario will be MACD is sloping down, and on that time frame we see that there is an ascending triangle. So between these 2 vertical lines, if our descending triangle that we have here was formed a bit earlier in this zone, that will constitute a bearish trading setup. All right. after the price break below it. But you can see that MACD start changing direction here at the time when the descending triangle is completed. But the trading method is very simple. MACD is sloping down on any time frame, and then we see a clear-cut descending triangle. If the price break below that descending triangle, that will constitute a bearish continuation or a bearish trading setup. The strategy is valid on all time frame, but the best approach is to find the setup on a higher time frame, 2 hour time frame, hourly time frame, all right, a daily time frame, and then use a multiple time frame trading method to day trade it. All right, very simple and also very powerful. To summarize this simple MACD stock day trading method, we are using the standard MACD 12.26.9. We are paying attention to the slope of MACD. MACD is sloping up. Is it sloping up? You will see, just draw the trend line along MACD. Sloping up. Now check the price, the number one indicator. Is there any, okay, if MACD is sloping up, we are looking for the ascending triangle. All right, equal top, higher lows. Is there an ascending triangle? If yes, we wait for the breakouts. If there's a breakout above that ascending triangle, that will constitute, okay, a bullish trading setup or a bullish continuation pattern. So the ascending triangle, if it appears when MACD is sloping up, it's a continuation pattern, provided that the price breaks above that okay, ascending triangle. The opposite is also true if MACD is sloping down, all right, and we see a descending triangle equal low, okay, lower high, okay, descending triangle. If the price break below that descending triangle, that will constitute a bearish trading setup or a bearish continuation pattern. A descending triangle, while MACD has a negative slope, is a continuation, a bearish continuation pattern. If we cannot see the triangle on the time frame where MACD is sloping down, we need to drop down to another lower time frame, as I did earlier on. For the 2 hour time frame, I drop down to the 10-minute time frame to see whether there is okay, the descending triangle, because sometimes you may not see straight away on the time frame where MACD is sloping down or up. If you switch to another lower time frame, you may see a clear cut, okay, ascending or descending triangle. You want to be very strict when it comes to the shape of the triangle. It has to be an ascending or a descending triangle. The ascending triangle, the MACD, the price will form equal top but higher lows. That is about okay, the ascending triangle. The descending triangle is when the price form equal low, but we have, okay, a lower high. Very, very important and also very powerful. Those are continuation patterns that are formed when MACD is sloping up or down. Well, let me know how you find this method. As always, when you learn something new for the first time, don't just jump on it and start trading it straight away. Okay, practice first, master it. You will see when you practice it, you say, oh, why it didn't work this time? Oh, it worked this time. And then you ask few questions, and then you understand more how the team function, so you can make excellent decisions. When it comes to day trading, the best time for day trading, first 2 hours, okay, when a market is open, especially when London is open or New York is open, all right? Those are the time for the day traders, all right? Now, the first week of the month, where I say to trader, is quite challenging for day trading between the 1st and the 8th. All right, it's quite challenging for day trader to day or swing trade from the 1st to the 8th, and also from the 15th to the 20th. So during those times, you want to stay away from the market for a while and then come back when everything is fine. But when you are trading during the challenging period of the market, you want to be very, very defensive and know exactly what you are doing. Know the season and environment of the market. This will help you to improve your day trading. This is about a simple MACD stock day trading method that one can use. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We wish you the very best in your trading. And until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TS MACD Pro traders talking about a simple MACD stock day trading method.